So far, entire chapter we talked about ethics. Okay, we are invariantly using ethics and then morality. Okay, but so far we didn't see what is the exact definition of ethics. I intentionally kept that definition I postponed to the end of the chapter. Okay, so here this is the definition given by this particular philosophers. Like this, you can take any definition, but I have taken this, because this is much more appropriate for us. So far, whatever we discussed, I can derive from this. So, ethics refers to well-based standards. Okay, standards means values or principles, and well-based standards of right and wrong that prescribe what humans ought to do, usually in terms of duties, principles, specific virtues as benefits to society. Okay, see, it covered all the components. For example, here, so we discussed so many times like what are the ethical principles or ethical duties. Okay, so we have discussed that like whatever you have a duties, either in a personal life or a professional life, you need to fulfill that. Okay, so what is the duties? So behaviors expected of a person who occupies certain roles. Okay, behavior expected from certain occupation. Certain occupations. Okay, this we have seen many times, numerous examples. Okay, what are the duty of a father, what is the duty of a husband or a wife, like that. Okay, and what is the principles? Even principles also we have seen, these principles are fundamental truth that form basis for the behavior. That form basis for the behavior. So what is the meaning of this? Fundamental truth that form basis for your behavior. It decides your behavior. For example, if you believe in the non-violence, then you will be always advocating or following the non-violence. Or if you believe in the aggression, then you always go for the fight. Okay, the fundamental truth here is aggression. You believe in the violence, then your behavior is going into the fight. If you are fundamental truth is believing at a peace, then you never go for any fight. Okay, that means if you believe in some principle, or if your fundamental truth here is not lying, then you never cheat or never lie with any person. Okay, so it's depending on your fundamental truth, whatever you believe. Okay, whatever you believe, it will automatically replicated in our actions. Okay, that is what here the meaning of the principles. And specific virtues, we have seen that what are those different types of virtues. Okay, temperance and fortitude, prudence, justice, like that we have seen different virtues there. Okay, and then benefits to society. Whatever you are doing, your fundamental truth. For example, if you believe in the peace, then it is a benefit to society. If you believe in the violence, then that is not benefit to the society. There you cannot take that principle. See, principle, you can believe in any principle, but here we are talking about the principles that are useful to the society. Okay, you should not harm the society. So here benefits to the society means maximum benefit to the society. Okay, maximum benefit or maximum help to the society. help to maximum people, otherwise like in a utilitarian. Maximum number. Okay. So this is what we have read all, in whole chapter. This is what we learn about. Okay. So here, see, for IES point of view, no need to remember anything, only these definitions you remember, definition for duty and principle. But for the civil services, if someone asks you to write what is the definition of the ethics, then you write this and you mention the philosopher name also, so that it will be good, it looks good. Okay. Now we will see how to cultivate this ethics. We will see those next chapter.